Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively open your laptop without causing damage. Start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. If you notice any loose connections, gently reseat them to ensure everything is secure. Now, let's focus on the reconstruction of the case. If your casing is cracked or damaged, you may need to replace it. We recommend sourcing a genuine Lenovo replacement part for the best fit and durability. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once you have the new casing, align it with the laptop body. Ensure that all clips are properly engaged before proceeding to reattach the screws. This step is crucial, as a loose casing can lead to further damage down the line. After securing the back cover, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no gaps. If you have any concerns about the repair, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. Check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you every step of the way. And there you have it. Your Lenovo IdeaPad 520 is now ready for use with a fresh new look. Remember, if you prefer to leave it to the experts, we're just a call away. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.